Here I will show you how to use the Dirt Devil Portable Spot Cleaner Machine. It has two tanks, one for clean water and solution, and another for dirty wastewater. It has a handle that can swivel up and down. This makes it easy to carry, but also compact to store. You will start by filling up the clean water tank to the fill line, and then you will add the Dirt Devil Spot Cleaner to the solution fill line. Then screw on the lid and place it back on the machine. Now there isn't any lock, so the clean tank just pulls off and pushes back on. The machine has a long hose, which is about 4.5 feet. The hose attachment has a handle with a trigger that you will pull to spray the water and cleaning solution mixture onto the area that you are working. The water will spray out of this nozzle here at the end. You have two cleaning brushes, a pet tool with a rubber brush that helps you get deeper into the carpet, and another 4-inch stain tool with a more traditional brush which is good for everyday messes. You will choose the tool that you want and attach it to the end of the nozzle. The only thing I noticed here was that the 4-inch stain tool is harder to remove. I had to move my hand to the back of the tool and press fairly hard to get it on and off. The other tool has a convenient button that you simply press to release. Once you are happy with the tool selection, you can start by spraying down your stain or mess. Then you can use the bristles to scrub the spot. This will get that cleaning solution into the fibers of the carpet to help remove the stain. Then you will extract the liquid by tilting the tool at an angle and dragging it or pushing it across the area. The vacuum will pick up the water where it is collected into the dirty water tank. You will then continue this process as needed. You will spray, scrub, extract, and so on until you are satisfied with how clean your area is. When you are happy as a clam with your work, you can now clean the hose. On the back side of the cleaner, there is a hose cleaning port. You will simply insert the end of the hose. Once in place, you will pull the trigger to dispense the cleaning solution, which will now run through the hose and clear out any dirt or debris stuck inside. Take the hose out of the port and then leave the vacuum on to clear out any of that standing water that's still in the hose. Now you can remove the dirty water tank simply by lifting up on the handle. You can take off the lid and then pour out the contents and then rinse out the container. You will also rinse off your cleaning tools at this time as well. The pet tool comes apart, making it really easy to clean. Now set everything aside, allow it time to dry before storing it for future use. I hope that was helpful.